What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to connect your phone to a Cadillac Escalade using Bluetooth. We're going to be demonstrating on a 2015 Cadillac Escalade in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I'm going to be doing this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into your phone's settings and then go into the Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then taking a look at our radio, depending on what screen you're starting from, we'll click this phone screen right here. And then once we're on this screen, we'll click Pair Device. Now if we take a look at our phone, we're waiting for it to pull up the Cadillac Queue, which it is right there. Go ahead and click on that. And then you want to make sure that this pin number here matches this pin number here. And it does, so click Yes on here. And then we'll go to our phone and click Pair. And this is just asking if you want to give it access to your contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. But that's it. Now we're successfully paired. You can play your music or make your calls, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.